Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to factory reset my PS5 console. So how to do that? Before you sell it, right? If you're going to sell your console, or if you're going to give it to anyone, or if you're going to return it to the seller, you can do this factory reset. You do factory reset, right? All users and data will be deleted. Even your credit card informations will be deleted. For factory reset, right? You need to hold this power button. You need to hold this power button on your PS5 console for 2 seconds. So I'm going to hold it. When connected to TV and power, so hold it for 2 seconds. I should hear 2 beep sound. Already I heard 1 beep sound and another one. So the second one also beeped. So now I can take the finger. Now it is in safe mode. PS5 console, it is in safe mode. So now it says connect the controller using the USB cable and then press the PS button. So I'm going to connect it. So I have connected the USB wire on PS5 console. Now I'm going to press this PS button. Super cool. Now I have a lot of options. Restart PS5, restart default settings, update system software. So here, right, there is 2 reset PS5 options. This is for reinstall. If you're going to reinstall software manually, we can use this reset PS5. But we are going to do the factory reset, right? So we need to choose option 6, reset PS5. So I'm going to tap it. If you reset your PS5, all users and all data will be deleted from your PS5. Are you sure you want to give? If you're okay with everything, then give yes. Before you reset, just take all backup of your saved data on PS5 console. Then do this factory reset. I'm not going to reset now because I am making this video for demo purpose and tutorial purpose. That's it friends. Hope this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye.